Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
You start by confirming the essentials: a 64-bit Linux system with 8 GB RAM and at least 10 GB free. Once confirmed, install OpenJDK 11 or newer because Android Studio needs a compatible JDK. Next, download and extract the Android Studio package or use Snap for a quick install. Make sure to run the Studio sh from the bin folder. Finally, enable virtualization in your BIOS and add your user to the KVM group so the emulator can run. Those steps prevent later permission issues. Once Android Studio launches, open the SDK Manager and install Platform Tools, the latest SDK platform, and matching build tools. These let you build and deploy. Next, use the AVD Manager to create a virtual device. Choose an x86 system image and allocate at least 2 GB RAM for smoother performance. Make sure to set Android Home and append Platform Tools to your path in /bashrc or / profile so a DB and SDK Manager work from the terminal. Restart your shell to apply these environment variables. You build by creating or importing a project and using the Gradle wrapper. Select Build, then make Project to compile. Once built, choose Run to deploy to the emulator or a connected device. For a real phone, enable USB debugging and developer options and confirm authorization. If the emulator won't start, enable KVM or install Haxum and verify CPU acceleration is active. When things go wrong, run a DB logcat and inspect errors, because reading the logs tells you exactly which dependency or permission is failing.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.